Do you dream of effortlessly gliding through your home, banishing dirt and dust with ease? The Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner is here to turn that dream into a sparkling clean reality. In this review, we'll explore why this compact bagless upright vacuum deserves a prime spot in your cleaning arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful cleaning performance. Unleash the cleaning power of Eureka Airspeed with its 6-amp motor that delivers powerful suction on all floor types. Whether you have hard floors, carpets, or a mix of both, this vacuum is designed to extract dirt and hair with ease. The 10.5 inches cleaning path ensures efficient and quick cleaning, making it your go-to choice for a spotless home. Light as a feather. Weighing in at only 7.7 pounds, the Eureka Airspeed is a featherweight champion in the world of vacuum cleaners. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to carry it effortlessly from room to room, reaching every corner of your home without breaking a sweat. Storage becomes a breeze with its space-saving design. Versatile above-floor cleaning. The quick-release handle transforms this vacuum into a versatile above-floor cleaner. Attach the crevice tool or dusting brush to reach upholstery, windows, and other tricky places easily. This feature ensures that no nook or cranny is left untouched, leaving your entire home spotless. Low maintenance and cost-effective. With a washable filter that can be easily rinsed and dried, the Eureka Airspeed keeps maintenance costs low. No need for frequent filter replacements, just rinse, dry, and it's ready for action. This vacuum is engineered for long-term reliability and cost-effectiveness. Decent capacity, effortless emptying. Don't be fooled by its slight frame. This vacuum boasts a generous 1.7-liter dust cup capacity. Cleaning up is a breeze with the easy empty dust cup, ensuring you can focus on cleaning rather than constantly tending to the vacuum. In conclusion, the Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner is not just a cleaning tool. It's a game-changer for your home. Its powerful suction, lightweight design, and versatile features make it the best hardwood floor cleaner on the market. Elevate your cleaning routine with Eureka Airspeed. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.